TechBrite has produced countless amounts of strip fixtures and retro kits over the years, and we have seen them change and evolve slightly, but nothing revolutionary. Until now. We are pleased to announce the new product revolution in commercial, industrial, and retail lighting we call SOTA, with customized features and benefits to fit any lighting installation and upgrade need. TechBrite's new fixture innovation SOTA is available in 4-foot and 8-foot, with and without a lens, and lumens up to 13,000, with a lumen per watt exceeding 160. This makes it an affordable and economic solution for upgrading existing T12 and T8 fixtures. Of course, it wouldn't be TechBrite if we didn't make an easy-to-install retrofit kit in addition to the standalone SOTA fixture. SOTA is economical and efficient for use in many applications. The SOTA retrofit kit is easy to install by removing the electronics and hardware from the existing fixture and connecting the power to the new SOTA retrofit kit. After installing TechBrite's patented mounting brackets, the fully contained retrofit kit is installed simply using quarter turns. No drilling required except for the brackets. No silly magnets, no complicated driver covers to install, just a simple, easy to install retrofit kit that will save installation time. For 8-foot retrofit kits, take note of a simple yet critical design feature that will save time and cost on installation. Each 8-foot retrofit kit contains 2 4-foot channel sections and comes completely wired and ready to install. To allow for one-person installation, we have included a convenient disconnect, permitting the kit to be broken down to 2 manageable pieces, thus making installation a breeze. The SOTA fixture and retrofit kit are convenient solutions to replacing existing fixtures and aesthetically designed to use in new construction, but economical enough to win tough ROI requirements. Efficient, convenient, revolutionary. SOTA. SOTA is in stock now and ready to ship. Contact your TechBrite representative to place your order today.